Yo, welcome back. This is day one of the new strategy. Let's take a lookie. I'm so excited. Oh, look at that. Boop. Anyways, strategy 4. That's it. I thought we were on 5, bro. Heartbreak. Anyways, liquidity sweep, high time frame confluence, and SMT and another confluence. Cool. We're going to be more lenient this time. And we're not going to set it to one, breaker block and OTE. What if it's a breaker block and fair value gap? Anyways, rookie mistake. Who cares? We learned SMT, other confluence. Let's do it. Let's get into it. I'm excited. Here we go. So, for SMT divergence, we need ES and NQ. This is ES. Let's go to NQ. We're going to go to market open. Oh, let's probably go to the 5-minute. Here we go. So, I realized something else that I'm lacking that I didn't even realize till recently is that I don't understand London session lows, highs, Asian session lows and highs. But TJR Trades made a video on liquidity that I need to go watch, and it probably goes over that because he loves liquidity. I could tell you that. Cool. We haven't swept any highs with this candle or lows. We swept this low, but it doesn't really matter. It's not really major. Looks like we retraced. Looks like we're going to go up. All right, we swept these highs. Let's go to the 1-minute. Cool. I want to inverse this gap. Bro. Let's see if ES. Holy moly. So we still haven't hit it yet. Cool. We have an SMT. Nice. Let's go to the 1-minute. We're going to wait for a retracement. Let's go to NQ. Let's wait for this fair value gap retracement, and then we'll short out of this. Above here, and we'll take profit at, like, this low or something. Cool, we swept liquidity. I think we're going to go down a bit more. Let's stay in this. Swap liquidity again. Looks like we reversed. I'm going to get stopped out. Hey, that was a good first trade, bro. I can't even be mad. I cannot even be mad. My take profit was a little too greedy. I see that I should have done this. It happens. Market doesn't necessarily chase liquidity, so it's hard for me to take profit at certain areas, to be honest. But it looks like it came back here. It wants to break structure to the upside. I just caught a retracement, which is kind of sad. But that might have been a SMT. $8.33. I'm tripping. Wait. At 9 o'clock. No wonder, bro. ES took out those lows, and that's a bullish SMT. Dude, we could low-key look for a long here. Retrace into this breaker block. At the low. Take profit at the high. Holy moly. Calm down, brother. I did not expect that. Dude, am I like... What's going on? Is that another... It's just another SMT, bro. Are you kidding me? Okay. I understand it now. Check this out. I'm winning the next day. I can't fall for the same trick 3 times, right? Cool. Let's get into it. We are now at all-time highs. Let's mark them out. We have this 30-minute. Let's go to the 1 hour. We are bearish on the 1 hour, bullish on the 4 hour. Bullish on the 4 hour, bearish on the 1 hour. On the 30-minute, we are bearish. Yeah. And 15-minute, we are bearish. Cool. Let's mark out these highs. Mark out these lows. All low resistance liquidity. We'll mark that out. And we have this humongo fair value gap down here. Cool. Let's go to ES, see what's going on over there. So we already took out these lows at 7. We already did that earlier too. Cool, cool, cool. Let's see. Let's mark out these lows at 555. We already took out those lows. Okay, this could be an SMT right here. And this time at 340. Cool. Alright, let's get into it. Let's go to the 5-minute. Let's look at NQ. Took out all the lows. What about NASDAQ or ES? We have not taken out all the lows. Let's wait for another candle. And we have taken out all the lows. That's fine. Let's mark out some more. Low resistance. I guess we can still mark them out though. Hmm. 945. Okay, that is a bullish S&T. Cool, cool. Alright, and we have a 5-minute fair value gap that price reacted off of. Let's go down on the 1 minute. Wait for another break of structure. Hopefully with the fair value gap. Cool. And I just want to look for a retracement. Nice. How long here? Stop loss. Below the fair value gap. Take profit. Right here. It's just a bad trade. I'm so confused. How did that lose? It just wanted to retrace higher or lower. No, it just wanted to go down further. Okay. Looks like I was wrong. I'm off for that day. I've actually never really traded very well with SMTs. So learning it would actually be a plus to doing this. Let's delete all these lines. Took out all these lows. We have another one right here. On the 1 hour, we are bearish. On the 4 hour, we are bearish. .30-minute, I didn't necessarily see. We are bearish. 15-minute bearish. 5-minute bullish. That's cool. Let's wait for a break of structure on the 5-minute. Price reacts off of that. We break structure. No, we don't. But we break structure on the lower time frame. Cool. Alright, we have a nice head and shoulders, I guess you could say. Let's go down on the 1 minute. Look for an entry. Let's see what NQ is doing. Where is market open? I guess it doesn't matter. Whoa. Market opens way over here. Not this again. Not this again. Brother. Oh my gooseness, dude. Oh, jeez. Anyways, we're gonna take this short. Cool. Took profit. Day 3, that's a dub. Oh no, dude. I don't. Why? No way you just did that, bro. No way it just switched to 12. I figured out how it switches to 12 o'clock every damn time. Oh, thank goodness. Damn. Now I gotta do this crap again. Who cares? Alright, on to ES. 8:30. 8:30. 8:30. Obviously I just now realized this. Obviously I put it at 8:30 because I'm not Eastern time. Anyways, on to the next. Let's go to the 1 hour on the NQ specifically. We are bearish. It looks very, very bearish. 4 hour. Oh, that's a 5-minute. What incarnation? 4 hour. We are bearish. 1 hour. We are bearish. Looks like we just retraced them. 30-minute. We are bearish. 15-minute. We are bearish. Cool. Let's go to the 1 hour and mark out some confluences. This is a bullish confluence. We already hit it. There is some liquidity that price would love to touch and tap and do all of the above, right? Bang. Equal highs. Equal size. Anyways. Price reacts off of that. Price probably wants to come back down here. 15-minute. Inverse this gap. We have a high right here. That would be cool to hit. That would be cool. And screw this survey gap. It's too much. Cool. 5-minute. Alrighty. Here we go. Bang. What? Alright, let's go to ES. We swept those. And we did not sweep those. Let's wait for one more candle. Alright. That's a bearish SMT. So that means we go to the 1 minute. Retrace to the low probability order cock. Let's look at ES. What liquidity could we be chasing this one? See, the thing is, I don't know if it'll go up more. I don't know. Let's go to the 3 minute. Let's wait for a 3 minute fair value gap reaction. All right, cool. I'll short there. Just like that. Above the fair value gap. Take profit. Where to? Where to? Do I take it here? Whatever. Cool. Let's wait for price to come down. Did not touch it. Touched it. Let's look at NQ. Hey, yo. That's a trade, baby. Day 4 complete. That's a dub. Let's freaking go, baby. I love it. I absolutely love it. Anyways. On the next day. Here we go. I'm so excited, bro. I might trade SMTs now. They're pretty cool, low-key. We took profit at a pretty good time, too. It was safe. I like it. Oh! That was an accident! No! Let's go to the next day. Five. Day number 5. Cool, we'll do that. Oops. My bad. Alright, cool. Equal highs, equal size. If you go to the gym, hit chest flies. I'm pretty fat. I like House of Pies. When I get rich, I'm going to cut ties. Okay. Okay. Cool. We're on NASDAQ. Let's go to ES. What incarnation? Alright, we have this high right here. High right here. High right here. Let's just mark them all out. Why not? Why not? Alright. Low. 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 Sway low. Sway low. Sway low. Sway low. There we go. Hey! And cute. Cool, cool, cool. That is a bearish SMT, if I've seen one. Look at that. Equal highs, equal size. We swept one, we swept the other. That's a bearish S&T if I've seen one. Cool, let's go to the 5 minute. Should be a bearish move. I want to look for a retracement back up to this area right here. This low probability order block. It's inside a high probability order block and a breaker block, bro. I want to see it. I will enter right here at this line. Take off this line now. No. Go back up. Go back up. Damn. All right, well, we already had the SMT. We had the fair value gap reaction. All right, what's that looking like? ES. Sweat these lows. Long time ago's. Cool, we have these lows. Let's go to NQ. Match it up with the foes. Whoa. What am I looking at, bro? 1330? 1330? Not even close. It's going to go down more, so let's wait for that fair value gap reaction. Bang. There's another fair value gap up here. I don't think it'll retrace to it. Let's look at equilibrium. Let's look at equilibrium. Equilibrium, I'm shorting this all day, every day, at halfway point of breaker block and order cock. Cool. We're going to take profit at the right below 1330s. Anyways, yeah, we're going to do that. 1 to 2. Hold on. This isn't right. I made a mistake. I understand. Okay, let's look at ES. NASDAQ. All right, it's okay if you go back for a retracement with the fair value gap. I understand. There's no point. You're scared. Bang! Don't get emotional while trading, folks. Get emotional after day trading. Get emotional after trading, bro. It's the way to go. Day 5. Oh, day 6 was a success. Day 6 was a success. Oh my gosh. We are 1-1 right now. 3-3. And it kept going down, baby. Oh my gooseness. 1 to 2 is all I need. I'm not going to get greedy. I understand. I got to practice winning before I could practice taking more profit, dude. Come on. Is this the new strat, bro? Is this the new strat? Are you kidding me? This is all I needed to win? I never won trading SMTs, bro. Now let's go to the 1 hours. The 1 hours. We had this 1 hours. I'm so excited, bro. We had this fair values gaps. Reacting off vid supply zone. Demand. It's supply zone. Anyways, we are bearish. Very bearish. Let's look at this. Massive 1 hour order cock. We're clearing that, John. We are clearing that, John. Demand zone. Which one will we choose? Whichever side we have an SMT on. I know that because SMT is the GOAT. The GOAT? Goatee? I might have to get one when I get a buzz cut. Oh! I leaked some. Guys, I might get a buzz cut, guys. I just said that twice in 1 sentence. Don't mind me. I got too much sunlight today. High off of it. Where's my line, dude? Come on, dude. Dude. Hello, bud. Alright, let's go to ES. Cool. Head, shoulders, nice. Well, took out these highs. Failed to take them out. We already had the bearish SMT. Let's go to the 5 minute. Let's mark out these lows. Nice. Market open. Price retraced all the way up there, bro. Are you kidding me? Damn. I did not expect that, dude. I was going to take that. I was going to take it. I was going to take this fair value gap. Ah, damn. Screw it. We're going to the 30-second. Where is it? There is no such thing. I'm going to have to short right here. The RR is going to be terrible, guys, but you know what? It happens. Holy crap, bro. Hold on, let's look at NQ. I'm taking that. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I don't need that. I don't need that. I got these. Woo-hoo-hoo! Taking that, John. Taking that, John. That's another dub. Day 7 was a success. Holy crap. On to the next day, brother. On to the next day. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh my gosh. This is fun. This is fun. What a tarnation, dude. What in tarnation? Alright, let's start going up again. Come on. We're getting too low. I don't want to have to mark out daily lows, bro. I don't want to mark out daily lows. What a waste of time, bro. Come on. I mean, holy crap, bro. That is so ugly. Give me to the 4 hour. I need the 4 hour. Are you kidding me? What a damn shame. What a damn shame. Cool, we'll mark out that one. We'll mark out this. And we'll mark out this. Alright. We are off the 1 hour. We have this high right here. Don't know if we swept it. Pretty close. Don't care. We have this 1 hour fair value gap we probably will react off of. That's cool. We have this fair value gap causing the supply zone. Or not causing, but showing us a more reasonable supply zone to go off of. And we have this supply zone up here that we don't really care about. I don't really care about. I don't think you should either. We have this fair value gap that we just inversed, and price wants to retrace to that. But we're waiting for an SMT. Let's look at the ES, see if we took out these highs at whatever time. And we did not take out the highs. If we took them out on NASDAQ, we are looking for shorts. Dude, that is close. Let's go to the 5 minute. We're going to... Did we take out these highs or these lows right here at 645? Yes, we did. Cool. Now, let's go to the 15 minute. We see this breaker cock right here. We already retraced to it. I doubt we'll retrace again. Let's go to the 5 minute. We got nothing to go off of. Absolutely nothing. This is not good. Anyways, market opens. We go up 10 points. Nice. Now, we react off of this fair value gap. Let's check out NQ. We are going down on NQ. Going down, baby. Let's take a trade on ES. This is a beautiful short here. We had an SMT right here. And I see no better reason to short. I see no better reason. We're going to do it above the order cock, or at the top of it, I guess. And then, what do I want to do? Do I want to target these lows? Do I want to target these lows? Is this a manipulation move? Is it the accumulation move? Do I want to take this? See, we are reacting off a high time frame fair value gap. I do not want to take this. Sure, there's an SMT. It's a good trade. I don't want to take that because of the 15-minute fair value gap. It was against the bearish bias, obviously. But I wasn't trying to risk that. I'm gonna be honest. I'm happy with where I'm at. Bang. 4 wins, 3 losses. And the 3 losses were warm-ups. I literally said I won't fall for the same mistake 3 times in a row. And then I flipped it from there. I love this strategy already, bro. I am obsessed. This is freaking awesome. Anyways, strategy 4, day 1 complete. I appreciate you guys. If y'all enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, drop a comment. Let me know how you're doing. If you like the strategy, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know. Anyways, peace.